Hello and welcome to GKG Poultry. I'm your host, the Chicken Man. It's been a good year for the garden. We have an abundance of heirloom crops. Here is a week's harvest of cucumbers, tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, and Lakota squash. These Lakota squash are winter squash, meaning they grow out in summer and you pick them in the fall. I think due to the extreme heat of Texas, they ripened early. But these pink vernissage tomatoes, Jimmy Nardello peppers, and Marketmore cucumbers are doing quite well, and giving us enough to freeze, can, and eat all we want. That wraps up this garden update. Tell us what you're growing in the comments section, and don't forget to check out our social media accounts. Links are in the description below. Like the video and subscribe. For now, happy gardening, and don't forget to keep your plants happy and healthy.